Hello netizens, it's me again, it's Rhissy, and welcome to my channel. Please do subscribe and hit like, as this video is a week well spent online class to summer.
Thank you so much.
Okay, congratulations everyone.
So yeah, great news, we passed the oral defense, and good luck to future researchers also. After naman nag-attend og Holy Mass, we immediately go to Best Cafe in Minglanilla here in Cebu. It's in Theology Cafe. Yes, of course, it's near in Gaisano, Minglanilla. So, what are you waiting for? You must try this cafe, guys. They have great service and great food.
Oh no.
Takirin kita din magkaya sa tanaw. Kaya ka nang kuyawan magkukukukikit. Kaya magkailis na.
May na lang, magwapo ka.
Ano sa kutaraan na magiging ako
Nagsariling sikap na mag-family picture, and that's it. While waiting our orders, because we're too early at that time, because mga 9 kami naabot and they open at 10.
Ato nang ganang preskopyuhan kayo.
Liskop din na.
Ilayoon.
Funny kay pa.
Madanag nito po na lutuan na luto na rin.
French fries. Yes. Miko? Sakay mo dali.
Hi.
Plate ninyo. Dali, sakay na. Bigo?
Nagi paningot na ka Teacheres. Wala man. Dai, magkukuko na basta na.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see, only get paid hourly. We can carpool, I can drive, listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive, though we might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be our fall when we make our money and spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall.
As we baked some French macaroons, and you may see it on the YouTube channel of my pamangkin. Just do subscribe to our channel, guys. It's Nana Ivana. I was super duper excited about this event which I decorated. Pag-chika pala natin April nga, Inday, mag-decorate tapos sa birthday ni Mama Lisa. And then like, I freak out. And I draw some of my, gusto na ko nga i-decorate on that event. Kaya syempre, special kayo, 70th good. So, char-char gina, girl. Pangandaman gina. And that's it. We're so happy. Thanks again, a girl, no? And yeah, thank you, April. And Mom Yan for, trusting. Charot lang. I super love this. Like, decorating, being an organizer soon. Hopefully. So, kung kamo dira, ganahan mo magpa-style birthday, surprise, any celebration, it's free, guys. It's free. Just email me or,
Darling,
because it's my passion. Just give that so nice.
I know you send me. Darling, you